If GOG is not working for you right now, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix that often solves the problem in just a few minutes. Sometimes, the launcher gets stuck in a broken loop in your system memory, and a simple hard reset can clear that up. So if GOG Galaxy won't open, keeps freezing, or is just not responding properly, this is the first thing you should try, and if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Manager. If it doesn't open right away, give it a second and make sure you pressed all three keys together. Task Manager is the easiest place to find any background process that might still be running and causing the launcher to stay stuck. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running apps and background processes. What you want to find is anything named GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client. These are the main processes that control the launcher, and if one of them is frozen, it can stop GOG from working correctly. Take your time here and check carefully, because sometimes the process may be hidden among other apps. When you find a GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client process, right-click it and choose End Task. If you see more than one related process, end each one the same way. This step forces Windows to completely close the launcher instead of letting the broken process keep running in the background. That hard reset is often the key to fixing launch issues, loading problems, and random crashes. After you've ended the task, close Task Manager. Now go to your GOG Galaxy desktop shortcut. Right-click on it, and this time choose Run as Administrator. Running the launcher as an administrator gives it the permissions it may need to start properly and update or connect without getting blocked by Windows. If Windows shows a permission prompt, click Yes to continue. Then wait a moment and see if GOG Galaxy opens normally. In many cases, this simple restart and admin launch is enough to fix the issue right away. If it works, great, you're back in the launcher and ready to go. If it still doesn't open perfectly the first time, don't panic. Sometimes launching it as administrator after ending the stuck process is enough, but in some cases you may need to repeat the steps once more, or restart your PC before trying again. The important part is making sure the frozen GOG process is fully closed before opening it again with admin access. So to quickly recap, if GOG is not working, open Task Manager with Ctrl, Shift and ESC. Find GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client, end the task, and then relaunch GOG Galaxy as administrator. This is one of the fastest and most effective fixes when the launcher gets stuck in memory. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, because I post more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides to save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.